In the heart of Britain, traditional blacksmithing has been practiced for centuries, shaping metal with fire and expertise. Unlike modern methods, artisans rely on age-old techniques passed down through generations. Each piece, forged in the roaring forge, tells a story of dedication and craftsmanship. From intricate wrought iron gates to delicate metalwork, these creations reflect the cultural heritage and artistry of Britain. The rhythmic clang of hammers on anvils is not only a testament to skill, but a connection to the past. Today, blacksmiths continue to honor their trade, blending tradition with innovation, ensuring this ancient craft remains alive and vibrant.